In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add different images per variant in Shopify, a process that can help you showcase your products more effectively. Let's dive in and make sure each of your product variants stands out with its unique image. We'll start over on the Shopify admin page. Look over at the left panel and find the Products tab. Go ahead and click on that to bring up the list of all your products. Once you're in this section, you'll want to select the specific product that has multiple variants. Those could be different sizes, colors, or styles of the same item. By clicking on the product name, you'll open up all the details associated with it, including a list of its variants. Now, the key to giving each variant its own image is to focus on them one at a time. Click on one of the variants. This action will open up the editing screen tailored to that particular version of your product. Look around in this edit mode, and you'll see an option or a box to add an image. Choose an image that's representative of this specific variant. Maybe it's in a different color, fabric, or any other characteristic unique to it. Once you've uploaded the image for the first variant, don't stop there. Go back to the main product page by clicking back or using the panel options, and then select another variant from your list. You'll follow the same process. Click, access the editing screen, and add an image. Each time you upload a picture, you're giving your customers a visual cue about the options available, making their browsing and decision process that much more intuitive. After you've made sure that all your variants have their appropriate images, head to the top right of your screen and hit the Save button. This crucial step ensures that all your hard work is securely stored and will reflect online for your customers to see. And there you have it. With a few clicks and uploads, you've successfully personalized the images for each variant of your product. This can significantly enhance customer experience as they shop, allowing them to see precisely what they're getting. Variants with distinct images not only aid in minimizing returns due to customer confusion, but also elevate the overall aesthetics and professionalism of your online store. Remember, each step we covered today can make a significant difference in how your store appeals to potential buyers. So, feel free to repeat this process anytime you add new variants, ensuring that every aspect of your inventory is beautifully and accurately represented. With practice, this will become a seamless part of managing your Shopify store. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you create a more